The oncoming vehicle flashed its light. What are they trying to signal? What lies ahead remains a mystery. Instinctively, he slows down. Suddenly, just around the bend, there's a flash flood. The water is rushing fiercely. He hastily reverses. The floodwater is getting faster, leaving him panicked as he scrambles to get away. This is genuinely perilous. In a situation like this, hesitation is not an option. You must immediately turn your vehicle around to escape. Afterwards, it's crucial to warn other drivers. Let's hope no one finds themselves in harm's way in such a situation.